Hey guys, Jir here. Now in this video, let's take a look at this brand new product called Creative Animate. Now this is, guys, a collection of 400 plus done for you, fresh, unique video animation template that you can easily edit using Canva Free Account. Yes, you heard that right. You don't need a pro account. You just need a Canva Free account so you can edit, customize. This can be 100% customizable. You can put your brand, or the best part about this, guys, is that this comes with PLR rights, or private label rights, which means you can rebrand this video template and resell this video template to anywhere. Okay, there are a lot of customers and hungry buyers that are willing to buy this video template, put your name as the creator, and sell this over and over again without any restriction, and you keep 100% off the profit. Okay, that's really cool, right? I guess now let's take a look at what are the template included inside here. I'm gonna play some of this template here. So we have this video sales letter template. So if you guys have a product and you want to create your own video sales letter, so you can use this template and create your video sales letter. So let me play one of the example of this. For example, this one here. All right, it comes with the slides presentation, the images, and the video footages, and also the background music. So you can easily edit this using a drag and drop feature inside Canva. Okay, so this is that example right here. Even add a voiceover if you want to. Okay, and then the next template, guys, is the video promotion. So let me play this one here. So for example, this one here. Right, so that's one of the example of the video promotion template. There's also feed ads animation template, so you'll be getting all of this template here, so you can put this on your Facebook ads, or in your Facebook feeds rather. Okay, and then there's also story ads animation template. Okay, so you can also, customize this and promote whatever offer or product you want to sell, right? And then there's also a logo template here. So let me play one of the example right here. All right, so let's play another one here. Right, let's play another one here. I like that one. Okay, so that's the logo intro template. You're also going to get access to this YouTube thumbnail design. You're also going to get access to this YouTube ads design. So if you want to run ads on YouTube, then you can use this done for you designs here. There's also Facebook ads designs. These are really professionally created designs. Alright, guys, those are all of the categories of the template. Again, you'll be getting 400 plus of this template that you can easily, rebrand, resell, or you can use this in your own business purposes, right? So yeah, right now there are some couple of upsells, guys. Upsell number one, guys, is the pro version of this. You'll be getting additional 840 plus video animation template, and then there's also upsell number two, which is this code animation template. There's also animation bundle if you want to consider this. There's also a cinematic video template bundle, right? So those are all of the upsells. And by the way, guys, I actually prepared some awesome bonuses for those of you that would love to pick this up through the link down in the description of this video. My first bonus for you guys is my second product, which is local Videomatic. Okay, I'm actually selling this guys for $27, and you'll be getting a 30 Canva video template like this. Okay, so these are the Canva video template. These are local businesses. These are local business video that you can automatically sell and keep 100% of the profit. And by the way, this comes with private label rights as well, so you guys can also, you know, rebrand this video template, resell this as you are the creator of this video template. Now let me play one of the example of this video template here.
Are you facing the daunting task of moving to a new home, office, or location? Have you noticed the overwhelming logistics?
Again, you can easily, you know, customize this within Canva Free Account. Okay, so yeah, that's my bonus number one. I'm also gonna give away guys pro version of this, which is an additional 40 video template. So you'll be getting 70 video template. You'll be getting the front end, which is the 30 video template here. And then you're also going to get access to the pro version, which is additional 40 video template for social media. Okay, and then my next bonus for you guys is 120 plus viral fact videos. Now let me play example of these videos here.
Did you know it's impossible to lick your elbow? 90% of people will try. You'd be surprised by these amazing facts. Only geniuses will be able to answer the last question. The song Happy Birthday is copyrighted until 2000.
Alright, so I'm gonna give away guys 120 plus of these viral fact videos. Okay, and then next bonus for you guys is this 1000 plus children ebook with PLR. So you can also put your name as the creator and sell this as you are the creator of this ebooks. And the next bonus is 600 plus kids coloring pages. And I'm also gonna give away this software here, which is this whiteboard video. You can convert any image into whiteboard presentation. Okay, and then I'm giving away my upcoming product, which is eCoverV. This is going to be launching on this coming December 13th, so you'll be getting access to this for free as part of my bonus. And then my first ever product, which is Video Vertical, and then you're also going to get access guys to 30,000 done for you viral vertical videos that you can easily, you know, upload, or you can easily use this to drive traffic into your social media accounts. Okay, so those are all of the bonuses if you guys decide to purchase the Creative Animate through the link down in the description of this video. So that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. I have to see you in the next one. Bye.